What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see from this picture and from the thumbnail, I got all four of these kits for about 12 bucks a piece, 12.50 to be precise. They were a Facey Tweet marketplace listing that I jumped on, went and got them, and pretty stoked. One of them has been built, one of them has been started, and the other two are open but complete. And we're going to go through them and take a look at what's inside starting now. And we'll take these off to the side and start with this Peterbilt. Pretty stoked. Even though this thing has been built before, I've never done a semi yet. It's been assembled. Somebody had painted it and glued it together, and I could just tell already that it was done well. It's not a glue bomb by any means. Just in handling it a little bit, parts already are coming off. You can see there that, you know, they barely even used any glue. They just press fit inside of there. Means that it's going to come apart and clean up really well. Nice details, you know, there's not a bunch of smears all over the glass. The frame itself, I might just pick off some of the chrome pieces and repaint it the way it is. I might not even take it apart because you can see it just pops right out. There was hardly any glue used. Definitely not a glue bomb. Everything is here. I mean, as far as I can tell, I went through and kind of looked at all the parts and stuff that's in there. It seems to me like it's complete. So we'll move on to the other one that had been started, the Crew Chief. Not a new kit by any means. Here, give me a second. I gotta find somewhere to put this. Not a new kit, but you know, whatever. For the price, I couldn't pass it up. The decals are gone, but you know, who cares? I don't really use decals. And you can see the paint, it's pretty clean. It's pretty thin. I could probably get away with just giving that a sand and just shoot right over it. All the glass is here. It's in good shape. It's not scratched. Only one of them in this kit had just the tiniest bit of rubber burn on it. There was a tire sitting there, but that's just so nominal. Not concerned. All of the parts are here. I already went through and saw that all of the, everything's here. The motor, all the suspension, and this is probably, who am I kidding? This is going to get some of these. You know how we do here. Will it fit? Today on Will It Fit? Of course it will. Oh, get out of there. All the wheels and tires are here. Paint is really in not bad shape. It's not thick. It's not sprayed on there. Just a little bit of sanding, and that'll be good for a base coat. You know, so looks like everything is in that one. I'll just shove it all back in there, and in the interest of moving along here, Crew Chief Blazer. Then we'll get into the, oh, get out of there. Keeping it all together. Keep it together, man. Again, I've never built a semi, and nor have I built a trailer. So, again, pretty stoked on this one. You can see in this one, these ones, some of it's even still bad. You know, the trailer front, all the suspension parts. Again, the decals are kind of gone. Don't really use decals, but it'd be neat to maybe see if I couldn't save a couple of those. If you know a good trick on how to save decals, please leave a comment down below, down here somewhere, where down there. I've tried the flat thing, sprayed some clear flat on it, and all it did was made them all gummy. It didn't seem to work, but whatever. We'll see if I can save them or not. Sleeper box offer. Huh, I wonder what, I could probably find a date when how old this thing is. AMT's Big Pete Sleeper Box Offer. Add the finishing touch to your Peterbilt, blah, 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 blah. You can get an extra sleeper box. Order now, limited time offer. Place in this pre-addressed envelope along with $1 check or money order. You know what? I'm going to do that. I don't know how old it is or where this is going to go. I want my sleeper. Let's see what happens. I'll be sure to let you know. The sleeper box offer. That'd be pretty cool. They saw that and went, oh my God, look at this guy still has that trailer. Instructions, which are handy because, as I said, I've never done one. I mean, it couldn't be too hard. It's just a box, basically. But everything's there. It doesn't look like it's warped or anything. The only thing, it's got a little bit of line in it. The only thing that's missing out of this one is one tire. It's got all 8 wheels. It's got 7 tires. So if you know where I can score one of these tires, let me know in the comments. That would be pretty cool. They all seem to be in pretty good shape. They haven't melted or anything. And I'm going to put that aside because I'm definitely going to get a money order, fill that out, and send it. Just for laughs. Let's see what happens. So that was pretty cool. Another cool kit. And then last but most certainly not least, the one everybody here I'm sure is waiting for. I've seen these on eBay for ridiculously expensive. I mean, I could probably sell the box when I'm done with it. Not a collector, not a hoarder, don't really care. You don't build the box. So, you know, if anybody's dying to have this, let me know and maybe we'll work something out. I'll trade you for a tire. How's that sound? You know, it's not bad shape for a collector, you know. Yeah, that's right. I've seen other YouTubers. There's a date on them somewhere. I don't see it anywhere, but whatever. The instructions, cool. The decals that are, whoa, those are definitely gone. No saving those, man. They're all wrinkled and cracked, and but you know, I'm probably not gonna put that Rainbow Warrior decal mess. But everything is here. It's not bagged or anything, but it's all here. The glass, the clears are in great shape. The body's not warped or twisted. There's that. The bed's one piece. Interesting. It's not glued together beforehand or anything. It's molded that way. Pretty neat. All the frame, all the chromes there, which again is also in good shape, except for that piece. Look at that. Whoa. Not sure what happened there. That's what happened. All the wheels are there. That cool Blazer grill with the Chevy logos. All the suspension, the motor. Be gentle. Ooh, cool. Flares. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All the tires are there. Wow, those are better looking tires than normally. Huh. Desert Dogs. Good looking rubber. I can see the reds in there. It's all complete. Stoked. Absolutely stoked. So, not going to go into too much more detail. That's pretty much it. Just another, in keeping with my building on a budget theme. Got these off of Facebook Marketplace. I was randomly looking for something else and these popped up. So, keep your eyes open. Deals are out there. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. And again, please let me know if you know a good, clever place to get an extra tire, and or if you're interested in this box. I like to cut them out and then use them as wallpaper, but you know, if there's someone out there that just needs this there for their collection or something, I don't know, whatever. That's it. Thanks for watching.